This channel is going to teach you how to get into your dream university in the USA. There are three types of students that I've been seeing in my work. The first one is a student who is largely academically focused. If you come along with me on this journey, I will tell you how much weightage is placed on academics. The second type of student that I see is a student who goes for easy. If you come with me on this journey, I will help you understand why easy doesn't give you the ability to apply for the top 20 schools in the United States. Third is a student who seems to be almost perfect. They have all their academics in order, they have a lot of extracurriculars, yet they don't get in. Click below and I will help you understand how you decide what is the right thing for your profile. I will be giving you resources, templates, examples, downloads, everything you need to put yourself into gear. Your future is worth it. So if you're up for it, let's take a few minutes of your time. Let me share some groundbreaking tips with you that will help you make a better application. Thank you. See you inside.